still dance. Pressure on my back, yeah, the load be heavy, but my heart stay strong, I'm moving steady. People talk plenty, they don't know my pain. Smile on my face, but I cry in the rain. Every step I take, I learn, I grow. Life teach lessons fast and slow. When the lights go low and the road unclear, I remind my soul why I'm still here. No giving up, no turning back. I carry my hope inside my bag. Life go test you, life go try you, break you down, then rebuild you. Even when the nights feel life go try you, break you down, then rebuild you. Even when the night feels long, we still rise, we still strong. Dance through the pain, feel the sound, feet on the earth, spirit off the ground. No matter how hard the fight, we still rise, we still rise. I've seen dreams fall, I've seen tears drop, knock on doors till they finally pop. No shortcut, only grace, time and patience, I know my base. Family on my mind, food on the plate, praying for a change, waiting on faith. But I know say waiting will be enough, so I hustle daily even when it's tough. Every scar tell a story deep of nights I cry but still no sleep. I breathe in faith, breathe out fear, tell my future I'm almost here, yeah. Life go, try you, break you down, then rebuild you. Even when the night feels long, we still rise, we still strong. Dance through the pain, feel the sound, feet on the earth, spirit off the ground. No matter how hard the feel.
Listening to a song created with AI. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how exactly I made it using Music Creator, so you can create your own music too. Let's jump into the. So we're going to start right here on ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT. Please create me a song, Amapiano and Afro pop about life. So this is the title of the song that the ChatGPT has just generated for me, and then there's the intro, verse 1, pre-chorus until the end of the song, the outro. So what we need to do now is just to copy the song, and then after copying, we're gonna visit this website. So this is the website that will help us into creating the music. The website is called MusicCreator.ai. So what we need to do, since we've got two options, the prompt, and then we also have own lyrics, so it's up to you on what to do. If you've got your own lyrics, you click on this one, and then you comes to this lyrics, and then I'm gonna paste the lyrics that I got from ChatGPT, and then on this side I'm gonna put the name of the title of the song, and then I'm gonna scroll down to the vocal gender. So I need to choose whether I want the male or the female to sing on my music, or I can just let it on random, so that the system will automatically just choose whether it's a male or a female, or just put them both in the music. Okay, so we come here to the style, so I'm gonna just leave it on random, and then we come here to the style. With the style, we come here to genre, and then we choose the music that we are creating. Then we've got some options here, so I'm gonna just click on pop, and then I'm gonna click on dance pop also, and then I can just leave it like that, or you can just go ahead and choose more. Okay, I can even say electro pop. I don't know what is that, but I feel like it's gonna be something very, very interesting. And then I come here to the mode. With the mode, you just also need to select the options are there, and then another one, instruments. So here you're gonna need to choose the instrument: bass, trumpet, trampoline, violin, saxophone. So you just need to choose the one that you want. I'm gonna just go with a bass. And then again, I can go piano, since I'm a piano, so the piano will be the best. And then I can just leave it like that, and then I can just okay, so I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna just leave it like that, and then comes to generate music. So I'm gonna click on here to generate the music. All right, so now the music is already here. So I've got two versions of the same lyrics, and then we can just listen to the first one.
sun on my face, new day, new chance. Feet on the ground, but my dreams still dance. Pressure on my back, yeah, the load be heavy, but my heart stay strong, I'm moving steady. People talk plenty, they don't know my pain. Smile on my face, but I cry in the rain. Every step I take, I learn, I grow. Life teach lessons fast and slow. When the lights go low and the road unclear, I remind myself why I'm still here. No giving up, no turning back. I carry my hope inside my bag. Life goes.
Oh, that's so beautiful, man. You can dance with this music. Is very nice. So I just love the first version. So let's just hear the second version.
Morning sun on my face, new day, new chance. Feet on the ground, but my dreams still dance. Pressure on my back, get a little bit heavy, but my heart stays strong. I'm moving steady. People talk plenty, they don't know my pain. Smile on my face, but I cry in the rain. Every step I take, I learn, I grow.
Both of them are very interesting, but the first one is actually the best. I will go with the first version. So you can just go ahead and then choose the one that you prefer, and then after you choose the one that you love, like I did, now I choose the first version. So what I need to do, I come here to these three dots and then click on this MP3 audio, and then after that I download the music into my phone. All right, so another thing that you can also do with this song, you can turn the song into a music video. So all you need to do, you click on the very same dots under these three dots, and then you click on the first one, says music video. So you click on it. So I'm gonna just click on it like that, and then this is what you're gonna get. On this one, you're gonna need to select a photo style, so or else you can just leave it on auto. Then the system will automatically choose the best images for your song. So you can just go through them and then you choose the one that you love. I'm here to confirm, and then I'm gonna scroll down to the it's asking display mode, single images or multiple images. So I'm gonna go with multiple images, and then here on this side you're gonna get the video size. So I'm gonna go with 16:9, and then with the caption, if you want the caption to be shown on your music video, you just tick it on or you tick it off. So I'm gonna just tick it on. Okay, so I come here to caption style, so I just need to choose the one that I prefer. You can just go through them, or you can just randomly choose the one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with the red one. I love the red, so I'm gonna leave it with red. And then caption alignment. So on the caption alignment, you just need to select the options here. You want your caption to be on top or middle or on the bottom. So is always the best, and then sound wave, you put it on or you put it off. So you just select them. We just need to put the button on and off. If you, it just depend on what you want. If you don't want those things that are going up and down as the music video is playing, then you can just put it off. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then just come here to generate the music video. So this is gonna take like 8 credit. Remember, this is for free, and then you're gonna get some free credit that are being accumulated to use. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the new music video to be generated, I'm gonna show you the last one that I've just created with this platform. So I'm just gonna click on this so that it can play. Okay, so this is the music video.
New day, new chance. Feet on the the ground, but my dreams still dance. Pressure on my back, yeah, the load be heavy, but my heart stay strong, I'm moving steady. People talk plenty, they don't know my pain. Smile on my face, but I cry in the rain. Every step I take, I learn, I grow. Life teach lessons fast and slow. When the lights go low and the road unclear, I remind my soul why I'm still here. No giving up, no turning back. I carry my hope inside my bag. Life go test you, life go try you, break you down, then rebuild you. Even when the nights you life go try you, break you down.
That's so beautiful, man. The music video is awesome, man. The only thing that is missing on the music video is for the images to have the motion, but it's okay. The system will be upgraded in the future. That's what I'm sure about, and then it will create the music that has the motion. They will have the music video that has the moving images. Okay, they will be dancing if you want them to dance. They will be having some actions on the music video. So I'm actually happy with what they already have in the platform. The thing now that is left is for you to download the music video and put them wherever you want to put them. Okay, so you just click on this button here to download the music video. So already I've downloaded the music video into my phone. I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.